Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover about the reference planes. So until now in this course you already knew, like if you want to sketch or if you want to model something, you need a reference or you need a face or you need a plane, something like that, and then you can just sketch and then you can just modify your designs. But the thing is, like in some certain designs, if you want to draw a hole or if you want to draw angle on some certain position which you don't have any plane or which you don't have any face, so in that situation we can create our own reference planes and then we can draw our sketches. So as you can see it in front of us, like there is a body, and if I want to draw a hole somewhere where I don't have any plane or any face, so I would create my own reference plane. And there are different ways to create a reference planes. The first option we can create our reference plane is by using the faces, or we can create by using the edges or by using the vertex. So in the feature, in the ribbon section, you know there is an option reference geometry. As you can go here and you can click on that, and there are multiple options. So there is an option plane, so we can go into that. And then we need to choose 3 different references, so wherever we want to create our sketch. So sometimes you need a 1 reference, and sometimes you need 2 reference, and in some situations you need all of 3 reference. So let's show by example, and I will let you know whenever you need 1, 2 or 3 references. So what we can do is, suppose I want to select this face. So as you can see, when I just select this face, so automatically it's gonna understand that I want to make an offset from this face. So you can change manually whatever the value you want for the offset, or if you want to have a multiple planes, as you can see, so you can select multiple planes, 1, 2 or 3, it's up to you. And there is another option you can see under the dimensions, flip offset. So we can just flip the plane, like if you want to flip inside or outside, so you can just click this check mark or uncheck it. So this is the plane which it just created by selecting our face. So because it automatically know that we want an offset from this face, so that's why we only need 1 reference in such kind of reference planes. So I'm gonna click the green check mark. Okay, so here we have our first plane.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.
What if I want to create a reference by using a line? So again, I can go into the reference geometries, and then I can go into the planes, and I'm gonna select this line. So look, as you can see, like it is showing here it can generate a plane, but the thing is it's not sure like what is the angle for this line. So in such kind of situations we need to choose another edge, or we need to choose another point, and then it can be helpful to generate our first reference plane with a line. So the thing is, like now I'm gonna select another edge. Suppose I want to select this edge. In this way, as you can see, like it automatically create a plane between that line and this edge. So in this way we need only 2 reference if we want to make a plane between line and another edges. Okay, so this is our second plane. What if I want to create a reference by using different vertex? So I'm gonna go back into the features and into the reference geometry and gonna select the planes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select the first vertex here, then the second vertex here. But still it's not sure like where it has to create a new plane. So for that we already need a 3rd reference. So I'm gonna select this 3rd reference. Okay, look, in this way it's gonna create a reference plane between these 3 vertices, and it's gonna cross through the body. So in this way we need 3 different references if we want to create a plane by using vertex or different points. Okay, so there is another option if I want to create a plane by using 2 different faces. So again I would go back into the reference geometry and select a plane, and I'm gonna select this face, and then I am gonna select this face. So in this way, like as I just selected 2 faces, so it's gonna create a face between these 2 faces. And now by using such kind of planes, what I can do is I can just catch a mirror entities from one face to another face. So again, this is a really interesting tool. So by using reference planes, we can create holes or whatever the sketches we want at certain position, at certain face.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.